So, hi John. Thank you so much for your comment. And again, I'm so sorry that it took me this long to reply to it. And like I said, I'm not a very prolific YouTube creator. And but anyways, thank you very much for your comment. I was very happy to read it. So how I solved this in my case about your question regarding how I attached the straps to the frame. Let me just first go through the backpack. So it's a ready backpack. It's done. The work is done. And the upper shoulder straps looks like this. So what I've done, I don't know if you can see here, but there is a piece of plastic heavy duty material that I have shaped into a rod, and it goes all the way through here in both shoulders. And this is just to keep the shoulder in place. Let me remove the backpack itself. I think I have to, yeah. It's difficult with one hand, eh? So, this is how it looks on the back side, how I have attached the shoulder straps. So I have drilled 2 small holes in there, and I've drilled a hole there as well to attach the plastic rod. And the knot is a sledge knot. It's a tightening permanent knot. And in the middle section I've also drilled a hole there and there, and it's one loop of this cord that goes through and holds it in place. This is also so that the shoulder straps don't slide off into the middle. So these 2 cords keep them in place. Same thing here as on the other side. This middle part is for comfort, so that the content of your bag doesn't poke your spine, and it's very, very comfortable. So as you can see, each section of these crossbars are attached by leather works. So it's basically one piece of leather that I have wetted and then sawed in place, and when it dries it will also tighten the whole thing. So this is also a permanent solution. It will not disassemble itself. And as to how I strapped the button part of the shoulder strap, it's also a very simple solution for me. I used the leather. I drilled 2 holes in there, and it's basically just a paracord that goes through here through the holes, and then just a regular knot. And this keeps it in place. And it will not break. This is very tough things. The leather is very tough. It's a double layer of leather, and there is no way that this section there will break, the middle here. And also the weight distribution of your bag when you carry it, all the way is up, all the weight is up here on your shoulders and transferred here. So when you have a heavy bag, you don't actually put any weight on it down here. There is literally, someone will probably correct me, but there is literally no weight tension here. So this is basically just holding the strap on your shoulders, but there is no weight from the backpack that actually reaches here, not that much anyway. So that's the frame. Ready to go frame. I just took my first intention was to also make this out of leather with a soft material in there, but I ran out of leather. So I took this from my old discarded backpack, cut it away from there and put it here. It works very well. There we go. So I hope this answers your question, John, and thank you again for your comment.